Hello everyone, glad you're joining us today. We'll be diving into a cool topic this time, CnosDB ecosystem integration, writing IoT data into CnosDB with Telegraf. Okay, now let's jump right in. First, let's take a look at our workflow diagram and the key components we'll be using today. We start with the OPC UA simulation server. It's an awesome tool for simulating OPC UA data. It is great for developing and testing client applications because it lets us simulate various sensor data, device status, and the other real-time information, all without needing real physical devices. Next, we have Telegraf. This is a super versatile open source server. It's tailor-made for collecting, processing, and sending data from all kinds of sources. It is stable in monitoring and metrics collection, connecting with multiple data storage, message queues, and visualization tools. Telegraf has tons of input plugins for pulling data from places like database and APIs. It supports output plugins that can push data to the end, like CnosDB and CalCaf. By pairing the OPC UA simulation server with Telegraf, we can feed simulated IoT data straight into the CnosDB, which really beefs up the data support for our applications.